Our Blackhawk gazebos are wind rated up to 80 kilometers per hour. So we've got some fans and a makeshift wind tunnel here, and we're going to test this for ourselves.
Yeah, okay, bring up the fan.
Yeah, sorry Jeff, we're going to need a way bigger fan than that.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, Jeff, switch her on.
Yeah, okay, looking good, Jeff. We've got sandbags and guide ropes and pegs for keeping gazebos secure in high wind conditions. Well, this is definitely very windy. Gazebo's looking good, nice. The wind speed rating is fast, I guess. I kind of thought it would be slightly more dramatic. Yeah, I mean, it's wind resistant, obviously, so it's not moving in the wind. Good thing it wasn't really expensive and inconvenient to hire this fan. Well, that's a pass for sure. Blackhawk gazebos, certified very fast wind resistant. Officially up to 80 kilometers an hour when you have the sandbags and guide ropes attached. If you'd like to learn more, come and visit us at blackhawks.co.nz.